Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the MagVolt Pro charger. You've probably seen those flashy ads claiming it's a revolutionary charger made by a Silicon Valley engineer that can override some hidden chip in your phone, repair your battery, and charge you from 0 to 100% in just 5 minutes. Sounds incredible, right? Well, let's dig into the truth, and spoiler alert, it's not what they're telling you. The ads say your smartphone has a kill switch chip that intentionally slows charging, kills your battery, and reduces performance. They claim the MagVolt charger overrides this chip, magically repairs your phone, and fully charges it almost instantly. But here's the reality. There's no secret kill chip inside your phone. That's pure marketing fiction. Modern phones already use smart charging tech to protect the battery, and no third-party charger can bypass or repair your phone like that. If you've watched the ads closely, you'll notice something fishy. The spokesperson never gives her name, never mentions her company, and never provides real proof. She's likely just a hired actor from Fiverr or another gig platform. Even the so-called reviews are scripted. These kinds of scams recycle the same marketing style over and over. Dramatic claims, actors reading lines, and flashy graphics with zero evidence. So what's the MagVolt Pro, actually? It's just a cheap charger you can find on Alibaba or Temu for about $1. The only difference is these guys slap a fancy name, write up a fake backstory about Silicon Valley engineers, and resell it for $59 or more. Customers who've bought it say the build quality is awful, it charges no faster than any normal charger, and in some cases, they've even had trouble with unauthorized charges or not getting a refund. This isn't new. Scammy tech ads have been popping up on YouTube for years. The MagVolt ad itself has been running since late 2022, racking up millions of views. They lure people in with a sense of urgency. Your phone is dying early, but we have the hidden solution. The landing page connected to these ads doesn't even match the video's claims. That's another red flag you see all the time with affiliate scams. Think about it. If a charger really could double your battery health, repair damage, and fully charge your phone in 5 minutes, don't you think Apple, Samsung, or major news outlets will be talking about it? This would be front-page tech news worldwide, sold in every store. Instead, it's hidden behind shady YouTube ads and sketchy checkout pages. That alone tells you everything you need to know. So here's the bottom line. MagVolt Pro is not a revolutionary charger. It's just another scam gadget with exaggerated claims, fake ads, and cheap parts. Don't waste your money. Have you seen this ad? Or maybe you bought the MagVolt charger yourself. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Your story could help others avoid falling for the same trap. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more scam alerts and tech reviews, and let's keep exposing these fake products together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.